Hey friends, good morning. Welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much to all of my subby friends. I appreciate you so very much. If you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. And if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. So this morning, I wanted to bring to you these super fun Starbucks color change tumblers. So I don't know if you can see. So it was white before and I put that in the front of it, but all the little confetti in there with ice water in it has changed colors. So these are so cute. And these tumblers, you can get them in so many different colors. They change to where they change to pink and green, and they're really fun. I love when Starbucks does, these fun tumblers like this. Now, also, just so you know, I know that we are sort of filming in an odd spot. However, my craft room is still completely tore up because I've been going through sorting everything out since I moved my tumblers out. And I am waiting on some furniture to come from IKEA. So I just went ahead and ordered it because IKEA is like an hour away from us. So for my husband and I to order it, drive there and pick it up, because you can't go browse the store right now. So, what's the fun in just going to pick it up? It really wasn't any difference to just have it mailed. So that's what I did. However, it takes a long time to have it mailed. So I am waiting for it to come, and then I'll get my craft room put back together and I won't be in this odd space anymore. So anyways, enough of that. We are here for these super fun, gorgeous tumblers. And so I use Babette font, and then so I have hearts and doves. So for me, this is a remembrance of the 49 angels. Today's June 12th. It was a good day for me to bring this to you. 4 years ago, we had a huge tragedy in our area. And as a healthcare provider, I was amidst that tragedy. And I've been very blessed to be able to go out and be part of the remembrance ceremonies every year and do some different work with the Pulse Foundation. I met some amazing, just strong, fantastic people through that. So that's why I decided that I would bring this to you today, and this will be my remembrance cup, because with everything going on, unfortunately, you can't have crowds that big, so the remembrance ceremonies will all be online this year. So this is mine. So this will be my June cup from here out. However, these cups, you can put anything you want on them. I did Babette font, like I said, and then these came from the Cricut design space. I have to figure out what's going on, because when I go to do shapes right now, there must be some sort of update, because my shapes are grayed out on Cricut design space. So I actually had to go to pictures to get a heart. So that was really weird. I think that there must be an update. If anybody knows what's going on with that, I'd appreciate you letting me know. So I use, permanent vinyl. You could use semi-permanent and, change it around and do like a different quote or picture throughout the summer to go along with whatever it is that you're doing at the time. But yeah, so these are great. I just wanted to show you an opportunity to do a super fun DIY tumbler that is personalized without epoxy. And you don't have to use epoxy. These are beautiful regardless. And this would be hand washed, and it would be hand washed even if you didn't put the decals on it. So I hope you enjoy this, and yes, I love it. And on this day is always a day of reflection for me, and the biggest thing that I'm going to say with everything going on in the world, you know, we live in a world that loves to pull out and showcase our imperfections. And, you know, just remember, we are all perfectly imperfect. And that's just the way it is. And, you know, what one person may see as your flaw, another person sees as your beauty mark. So love each other, take care of your community, and have a blessed and beautiful day. And love these Starbucks color change tumblers. Thanks, friends. See you later. Bye.